This video is how to clarify your thinking and eliminate stagnant thoughts. So obviously I'm on a hike today, and the idea is that when you challenge your comfort zone, whether it be through hiking in nature or surfing in cold water or diving, free diving, some type of activity that is slightly difficult for you to do but also has joy, and usually the best way is to be in nature, but it's not the only way. That challenging of your comfort zone it clears your mind, it clears your thinking. And the deeper you go into that challenge, the more you clear your thinking. So Lara wants to get to her mama, who's up in front of us a little farther. Honey, can you slow down? She's starting to cry for you. I'm trying to get away from my speaking. So the idea is that every time you're challenging your mind, challenging your body, you start to clean up your mind. And one of the things that happens is you start to align that body-mind connection. So another way to think about that is that you are becoming more connected to reality. The way we connect to reality is through our body. So clinical people who are diseased, are very disassociated from their bodies. That's not to say that you can be associated with your body and not diseased. You can, but it's healthier and easier to be related to reality when you're really in your body. That's also sort of the root of Vipassana meditation, is getting deeply connected to the reactionary nature of your body and sitting with it and not reacting to it. So in the same way, when you're challenging yourself in any way physically, but especially when you're out in nature and challenging your physical body, you're clearing out your mind and getting more connected to reality through the conduit of your body. So that enables you to have clearer thoughts and to make better decisions. So when you keep hiking or biking or surfing or any of those other physical activities, and like I said, especially in nature, then you're gonna make better decisions and make better plans, and you'll start to clear out stagnant thoughts. You'll notice a very interesting thing happen that most of you who have any sort of exercise routine have already noticed this, that before you begin the exercise, your thoughts are kind of clouded and foggy and stagnant, and once you get into the exercise to a certain degree, it all starts to clear up and simplify and become brighter. Back to the idea about how powerful it is to do this in nature. We're in a temperate rainforest in Northern California, hiking up a very steep hill, and there's tons of life around us. So it's hard for you to see, but you can see all the trees and everything. In the city, you're surrounded by cellular electricity and other types of electricity. But out here, you're surrounded by the subtle electricity of the cellular bodies of nature and the rock and everything else. Like, there is electricity everywhere here. It's just a totally different type of electricity. And that also includes negative ions. So those negative ions are negatively charged particles that are grabbing on to positively charged particles. So you're in a negatively charged energy field. That's science, that's not New Age. And notice that negatively charged field is sucking off charged particles around you. which is, again, a scientific fact that that's healthy. And healthy on a physical level, healthy on a mental level, healthy on an emotional level. Thanks for watching. I hope that's been valuable. Have a great day.